Okay, so everybody likes these little 1022 Rugers. Got a brand new one here for you. Thought this would be fun to go plinking with the kids and whatnot up camping. What's this? Oh my, it's brand new. Brand new, used a few times, couldn't figure out what was causing all this issue and wouldn't take it apart. Look at that. All that coating they put on this thing is peeling off everywhere. I mean, come on, Ruger. You're going to make something, do it right. Don't make it so it just peels off like nasty when you first buy a brand new gun to shoot it. Just leave it clean metal. It wouldn't have had any problems, I'm thinking. Anyways, worst things so far I've found about these. But then again, it is brand new. And that's what 200 rounds does. We'll find out what it does later and if it gets any better. But anyways, there you go, guys. Thanks.